Welcome back to Motor Reviews. Today, we're checking out one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly bikes on the market, the Honda Navi. With its fun mini bike design, automatic transmission, and budget-friendly price of around $3,000, let's find out why this little machine has become a favorite for city riders. Let's get started. The Honda Navi proves that you don't need a big engine or a high price tag to have fun on two wheels. Priced at around $3,000 out the door in many markets, the Navi is one of the most affordable motorcycles available, making it an excellent choice for beginners, students, daily commuters, and anyone looking for a simple, economical ride. Powering the Navi is a 109cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine paired with an automatic CVT transmission. That means there's no clutch to operate and no gears to shift. Just twist the throttle and go. This makes riding easy and confidence-inspiring, especially for new riders who are still learning. The compact size and lightweight design make the Honda Navi incredibly agile in city traffic. It can easily weave through congested streets, fit into tight parking spaces, and feels comfortable even for shorter riders. Its fuel efficiency, often exceeding 100 miles per gallon, helps keep running costs extremely low, making it a practical everyday companion. Another standout feature is the lockable storage compartment, located where a traditional fuel tank would normally be. It's perfect for carrying small personal items. That's our review of the Honda Navi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Reviews for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive content. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.